A legal battle is brewing as the Justice Department takes on 6 states for their alleged failure to provide voter registration data. This move has sparked controversy and raised important questions about the integrity of our electoral process. The Justice Department's move on Thursday. The Justice Department filed lawsuits against the top election officials in California, Michigan, Minnesota, New York, New Hampshire, and Pennsylvania. The suits claim that these states have violated federal law by refusing to hand over their statewide voter registration lists. Attorney General Pam Bondi emphasized the importance of clean voter rolls as the foundation of free and fair elections. She warned that states neglecting this responsibility will face legal action. The Justice Department is seeking access to detailed voter information, including names, birth dates, driver's license numbers, and partial Social Security numbers. They argue that without this data, they cannot ensure that states are complying with the Help America Vote Act's list maintenance requirements, state resistance, and privacy concerns. However, some states have expressed reluctance to provide this information. California's Secretary of State, for instance, raised privacy concerns in response to the Justice Department's request. Similarly, the top lawyer for Minnesota's Secretary of State questioned the legal basis for the request and asked for assurances that the data would be protected and used appropriately. New Hampshire's Secretary of State cited state law as a barrier to disclosing its voter registration list. President Trump's influence. President Trump's long-standing criticism of states' voting procedures has likely influenced this situation. He has made unsubstantiated claims about dead voters and illegal immigrants on state voter rolls. Additionally, his false assertions of widespread fraud in the 2020 election have contributed to a climate of distrust. After his return to the White House, President Trump signed an executive order aimed at overhauling U.S. elections. This order mandates the Election Assistance Commission to require documentary proof of citizenship for voter registration and mandates states to record information about the documents presented by voters. However, federal judges have blocked provisions of this law, preventing the imposition of new requirements on proof of citizenship for voter registration. The bigger picture. This legal dispute highlights the delicate balance between ensuring the integrity of our elections and protecting the privacy and rights of voters. It raises questions about the role of the federal government in overseeing state election processes and the potential for abuse of power. As this controversy unfolds, it's important to consider the implications for our democratic processes and the potential impact on future elections. What are your thoughts on this issue? Do you think the Justice Department's actions are justified, or is this an overreach of federal power? Share your opinions in the comments below.